If you need to reset the TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, on a Ram ProMaster, here's how it actually works. First, check all tire pressures manually. The ProMaster does not have a manual TPMS reset button. The system will only clear itself once all tires are inflated to the correct PSI. Many ProMaster models typically run around 65 pounds per square inches in the front and 80 pounds per square inches in the rear, but always confirm using the sticker inside the driver's door for your exact spec. Even one tire slightly under spec can prevent the light from turning off. If your model monitors the spare tire, make sure that's properly inflated too. Next, drive the vehicle. The TPMS recalibrates automatically. After correcting the pressure, drive for about 10-15 minutes at 25 to 60 miles per hour. This gives the system time to read updated sensor data. If the light remains on after driving, turn the ignition off for about 10 to 15 seconds, then restart the van. Sometimes the system needs a full ignition cycle to refresh the readings. If pressures are correct and sensors check out fine, the issue could be related to the TPMS module or wiring, which would require professional diagnostics.